Hello friends, now I am going to prove the theorem 6.6. So friends, let's start. Now first you see the statement of the theorem 6.6. The statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Here, two similar triangles are given. One is let triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and they are similar to each other. Okay, this is given. As these two triangles are similar to each other, so we can write their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. And you can write their corresponding sides are in proportion. So you can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Okay, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ, means these corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Now we have to prove the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. That means, to prove, here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of this ratio of their corresponding side. So AB correspond to side PQ. So AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC correspond to here QR. So the ratio of BC and QR, that is BC divided by QR whole square is equal to, here you see this side is correspond to this side. So AC by PR here whole square. This we have to prove. Okay, so construction. Let's construct. Here AM perpendicular to BC. AM perpendicular to BC. Here PN perpendicular to QR. Okay. Next, prove. See, you know area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base, here base is BC and height is AM. So half into BC into AM. Give it equation 1. Okay. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height, that is area of PQR triangle is equal to half into QR into PN. Give it equation 2. Okay. Now you divide equation 1 by equation 2. Then you get this left side, you divide, and right side, you divide. Then you get area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to right side here half into BC into AM divided by this one half into QR into PN. Okay. Now you see half you cut. Then area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to BC into AM divided by QR into PN. Now, if we can prove BC by QR is equal to AM by PN, then we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR, this whole square. Okay, and theorem is proved. So here you see in this triangle ABC and PQR, you see here in triangle ABM, in this triangle, and PQN. Okay, if we can prove this triangle ABM and PQN are similar to each other, then we can write AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN is equal to AM by PN. Okay, so this is equal to this, we can write, and theorem will be proved. So first we prove this triangle ABM and PQN is similar. Okay, so in triangle ABM, in triangle PQN, in this triangle and in this triangle, as the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, so we can write this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so we can write B angle is equal to Q angle given, and then this angle and this angle is equal to 90 degree, as AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR by construction. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, now by AA similarity criterion, we can write triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN, and which implies that once they became similar, then we can write AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. Okay, so now you can write here in the place of AM by Pn, you can write here AB by PQ. Okay, so here area of triangle ABC divided by triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AB by PQ. Now here you see area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR into AB by PQ. As you know, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so their corresponding sides are in proportion, that is AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. Okay, so we can write now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, you can write BC by QR into AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So here we can write BC by QR. So you can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR whole square. Okay, and which is equal to, as you know, BC by QR. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ and AC by PR. So we can write here AB by PQ square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Okay, this, so the theorem is proved. Understood? As you know, AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR, which implies that AB by PQ whole square, we can write BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Okay, so area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Understood?